Engaged lessons for the 21st century. Why, hello, boys and girls. I am Mr. Peabody, and I'm here to help you learn about rounding numbers. And what we're going to do is work with the Griswolds today, and we're going to show you how you can round up or round down. And all you need to do is know the magic number. And in this case, that magic number is number 5. So if you would, please have a student come up to the smartboard or the whiteboard or just the video, and we're going to ask you to help us out. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, we are learning about rounding numbers. And in doing so, what we're going to do is have the Griswolds help us. Now, here they are down here in their little car, and they're going to go on a trip. And their trip has to go over this mountain and down the other side. However, you'll notice that we have the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They need that many gallons of gas to do that. But how many gallons do they have? Well, it tells us right here in the center. They only have 3 gallons. So you have to decide, do the Griswolds have enough gallons of gas to go over the hill? And we'll make that choice. Now, if you would, please have a student come up to the smartboard or the whiteboard or any place, and they will decide for us where the Griswolds are going to go. Please have one come up now. Okay, the Griswolds are on number 3. Because they have 3 gallons of gas. Now you must decide, do they continue on over or do they drop back? Is their number high enough to go over, to round up, or is it too small and it has to go back to 0? Here's how you're going to do it. If you would, pick up a pen and draw a line on which arrow they should go. Should they go here to continue on over because they have enough gas and the number is high enough? Or should they go over here and go back down and get some more gas at the gas station? Please pick up a pen now and do that. Okay, good. You chose this one because their number is only a 3. And it has to be 5 or greater to continue on over. 3 is not high enough. So now they have to go back to the gas station and get some more gas. If you would, please pick up an eraser and erase your answer. Thank you. Okay, the Griswolds are at the bottom of the hill. Now they got to go to the gas station, and hopefully this time they'll get enough gas with a larger number. Okay, the Griswolds are at the gas station, and hopefully they're going to put enough gas to go over that hill and be on their way. Oh, great! They've got their gas. Let's go and see how much gas they have, and so you can make a decision if it's enough to go over the hill. Okay, here's the Griswolds, and let's see how many gallons they have. They have 4 gallons of gas. Is that enough to go over the hill? What do you think? You make the call. When we get up to the top of the hill, we're going to need another student to come up, or the same one, to make that decision. Okay, the Griswolds are on number 4. And hopefully we have a student up at the board. Okay, just like before, is this number number here and up here enough to go over the top? If not, darken in or draw a line on this arrow. If you think it is, then draw a line on this one. Please pick up a pen and do that now. Okay, you're right. This is going to send the Griswolds back down the hill again. Please pick up an eraser and erase your answer. Okay, the Griswolds are at the bottom of the hill, and they're on their way back to the gas station to get more gas. Hopefully, they'll get enough gas to go over the hill. Now remember, what is the magic number? The magic number is 5. 5 or greater goes over the hill. Anything less than 5 goes back down the hill. Let's see how much gas Mr. Griswold gets this time. Okay, the Griswolds are again at the gas station. Let's hope they get the correct number, or at least the minimal amount of gallons. And how many is that? What do you think? What's the minimal amount of gallons of gas they should get? If you said 5, you are right. Okay, looks like they have their gas, and they're on their way back up that hill. Let's hope they get the right amount. We'll see. Okay, look at this. Oh boy, here's the Griswolds, and look how many gallons they have. That matches this number, which is 5. So do you think they have enough gallons to go over the hill? Let's see if they do. If you do, have a student come up to the smartboard to make that determination, or whatever board you're in front of. Let's go, Griswolds. Okay, the Griswolds are at the top of the hill, and we should have a student up at the board, the video, and making a choice. Do we continue over the hill, going this way, or is there not enough gas and we have to go back down? 5 is the deciding factor. Okay, if you would, please pick up a pen and draw a line on this arrow, which means they have to go back down again and get more gas, or this arrow, which means that they have enough, because 5 gallons is enough to carry them over to the other side. Please pick up a pen now and make that decision. Okay, great job. The Griswolds are going all the way. If you would, please pick up an eraser and erase your answer right here. Thank you. Okay, we've learned a valuable lesson here. Any number, if it's 5 or greater, you can round it up. If it's less than 5, you have to round it down. 5 is the magic number. Okay, hopefully you had fun, because we know the Griswolds did. And thank you for working with us today on rounding numbers.